Stop running!
No! Wolf, stop!
Who are you?
I'm a lion. She's my friend. Leave her alone. Roar!
A lion? You?
And I'm a tiger. Roar!
A lion and a tiger? Oh, I'm scared!
We're not scared of you. Go away, wolf!
You two are going to stop me?
I'm an elephant.
I'm a monkey.
I'm a frog. And I'm a bird.
We're all her friends.
I'm an ant.
I was just playing with her. Really, just playing. Okay. Whoa, wait, what? Bye!
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.